Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to use the Deezer bot on Telegram, music bot on Telegram. So first of all, you need to open up the Telegram application, and then you will open up the chat in which you want to open the Deezer music bot, and then you will basically send a message here at the rate Deezer music bot. Click on it, and here it says what can this bot do is bot with music from Deezer, Spotify, SoundCloud and VK. So tap on start here. Okay, and then it should send the message to the Deezer, and if the Deezer is available in your country, and if Deezer is working in your country, then it should basically reply you, and then you can basically start listening to the music, to the Deezer music and the Spotify music in your Telegram application. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video, and basically here you can see that you can just tap on start here. Okay, I will just go to the teaser and I will just go to the start here, and it will basically start it. But I think that the teaser is not available here right now, but you can just use this command to actually start the Deezer, and when it's available it will basically start playing the music in your Telegram application. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.